Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 24th episode of Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research of the Week. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get into the niches, I just want to quickly announce that at the end of this video, we're going to announce the names of the winner of our last week's giveaway. So, if you'd like to know who won, stick around till the end. The first niche of today is 4th of July t-shirt. So 4th of July is quickly approaching, and before we go ahead with the top 5 niches, I just also want to say that in this video I didn't really want to include the Juneteenth and the Father's Day t-shirts because those are like a week away, so it's really not advisable to be entering those niches now because there are other t-shirts that have been making sales, and entering now it's just good to focus on things that or on niches that are a little bit far away because you have better chances at making sales. So that's why I didn't include them in this video. So in this niche, this is a 4th of July niche, and it says back it up Terry 4th of July firework American flag shirt. So this is basically a shirt for more of disabled. You can see a wheelchair here, and in the 4th of July celebrations, disabled people are not left out. So this shirt is mainly for them. So let's take a look at price. Is priced 1308, and over 29 people have bought it. No review yet, but it has already grabbed a lot of sales for this short period. So it's advisable to make a t-shirt which is similar to this because it's going to blow up soon, and you should be one of the people selling these shirts when it blows up. So for keywords, you can use July, firework, American flag back, Terry. I really don't know why they use Terry. If anybody knows why the name Terry is on this shirt, please let me know down in the comment section below. So you can also use holiday, friend, Terry. Again, Terry, I'm not sure why Terry is there, but let's go ahead. So these are similar designs. It's a Juneteenth design, and I didn't include that because June 19th is like a few days away. So that's it for the first niche of today. Second niche of today is this softball dad t-shirt. So I decided to include this one because it's unique and it's different. And although the Father's Day is a few like a week away, I just wanted to bring this to your attention because it is a funny t-shirt that many people will not mind buying immediately. We're doing Amazon merch shirt, and it's prime delivery is 2 days, so some people can still buy these shirts in a short period of time. So softball dad, it says like a baseball dad but with bigger balls. So these bigger balls here is what brought it to my attention. I actually laughed at it when I saw it. So if I could laugh at it, that means other people will laugh at it when they come across a t-shirt like this. And that's why it's making so many sales. Look at this, 158 sales immediately it was launched, and people haven't even had a time to leave a review. That shows you how hot this t-shirt is, and it's priced at 16.99. So look at that BSR here. It's a new t-shirt, so it hasn't have the time. It hasn't had the time to for the BSR to fall and drop like the others usually do. So look at that sharp fall there. So for the keywords, we can use things like softball, fast pitch, baseball, bigger balls, funny dad, players, and all the like. And for our third design of the week or the third niche of the week, it's also Full of July shirt. This one says just here to bang. So bang can be like a boom, a bang, like fun, or bang can be like some people call um, having S, if you know what I mean. Bang. So it goes two ways. Just here to bang, it goes two ways, guys. So I don't want to. My channel is free of all those derogatory words. I don't like calling them on this channel. So that's why you hear me saying things like S instead of you know what I mean. So going to the pricing, 17.99, 16 sales, and for the keywords you can use things like July, bang, fireworks, women, fourth, flag, sarcastic. Yeah, this is really a sarcastic shirt. Celebrate independence and all the like. So for our fourth niche is this t-shirt that says it's cool. I've had both my shots. So when I saw this shirt, it brought it this shirt came to my attention because it's both cross-nation, shots as having taken your vaccination shots, and shots as having taken maybe a drink, shots of tequila or things like that. So that brings this comment to my attention. A comment from I'm not sure what this name is, guys. Bo E no. So whoever you are, you left a comment on my comment section saying that how does cross niching strategy works, and can I make a video explaining the strategy with good examples. So this is an example of what I was talking about, that cross niching works very well because those who are interested in vaccination shots will be interested in this shirt, and those who are also interested in tequila shots or shots in general will also be interested in this shirt. So bringing those two people together, or those two groups of people together, gives you a bigger audience to market your t-shirt to. So this is a great example of what I meant by cross niching. It's one of the reasons why I had over 293 sales in my Merch by Amazon account, and I already made a video about that. I don't want to talk about it again. So for the pricing of this shirt is 15.98 over 19 sales, and it's a new shirt that I know is gonna pick up and it's gonna be doing well in a couple of weeks. So our next niche is if found drunk, please return to friend. And this shirt caught my attention because it's actually funny. You know, most of these holiday celebrations will be coming back to back. We have the Juneteenth, Father's Day, and more. So all of these holiday celebrations come with drinking, and obviously people will get drunk. And having a T-shirt like this is actually very funny. It says, "If found drunk, please return to friend." So this T-shirt is priced at 13.80 over 10 sales, but I know it's gonna do well in the coming days. So what I'm trying to do is to find you designs that are gonna pick up in the coming week, because it's good to get into a niche that has the potential to make sales than the ones that are already making sales, which is basically the Juneteenth and the Father's Day t-shirts, which will be over in about a week's time. So it's good to look at other designs that have the potential to make sales, and you should jump on this bandwagon before others do. So you should be the first selling these t-shirts before others discover it. So that's what I'm trying to do in this video. So for the keywords, you can use found, drunk, return, friend, or even alcohol, even though it hasn't been included there. And for our next niche is this Peter Rabbit shirt. So this came to my attention because the Peter Rabbit 2 movie just came out and people are loving it. I'm loving it too. And so this shirt brought it to my attention because although it doesn't say anything about Peter Rabbit, because I'm sure the word Peter Rabbit is trademark, although it doesn't say anything about Peter Rabbit, but looking at this, and if you are a fan of Peter Rabbit, you obviously know that this is a Peter Rabbit shirt. Although I wouldn't advise you to make a t-shirt like this, but I will buy a t-shirt like this. So it's actually a retro sunset design with Peter Rabbit on it, and it says "Be a rabbit, animal fleeing on Earth." And it's priced at 19.99 over 5 sales. And you can use keywords like vintage, bunny, rabbit, Peter, animal, and all the like. So I wouldn't do this, guys. This is like infringing on the highest level in Metro Amazon. I wonder how it even went through. This is Peter Rabbit from the movie, and people are obviously buying it. It's obviously a new shirt, and people are buying it, but I wouldn't advise you to do this. This can get your Metro Amazon account terminated. And our next niche, Trump won. So this niche caught my attention. I'm not really sure what this is all about. Trump won, and it is a new shirt, guys. So this is actually got me confused. What did Trump win? So it spiked my interest, and I had to do some research. And I came across this CNN post and a video explaining why this T-shirt is trending. So I'm just gonna play it for a bit so you can understand.
A strange sight at several major league ballparks this season. The same fan unfurling Trump won banners. He has been ejected from each stadium, including Yankee Stadium, where you see him here. That is where CNN Shimon Prokupez is live for us this morning. Okay, Shimon, he is.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, this t-shirt is trending because there is a Trump fan who keeps on entering s- baseball stadiums and unrolling a banner saying Trump won. So you have these crazy head fans, Trump fans, who still don't realize that he lost the last elections, and they just want to remain in their own world. And that brings us back to this t-shirt. That is why this t-shirt is trending. Over 101 sales, guys. 101, price of 14.95, and keywords just Trump. So Trump is someone's name, and obviously he didn't give you the right to post a t-shirt using his name. So I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this t-shirt is trending, but I wouldn't advise you to upload a t-shirt like this because it involves using someone's name. But I'm just doing my job, showing you the t-shirts that are trending and are going to make a big bang in the next, in the next coming week. So it's actually up to you if you want to upload it or not, but I'm just doing my job bringing this to your attention. So we'll have some few bonus sales or bonus shirts. This one right here is LGBTQ shirt, and it says no one should live in a closet. So this is another a good example of cross nation between LGBTQ and Harry Potter, which is one of the very most popular magical series or witchcraft. Will I call it witchcraft? Yeah, I'll call it magical. Magical is a good word to use. And it says no one should live in a closet and has these Harry Potter glasses in the LGBTQ or rainbow colors, and has this bolt mark, which is usually a mark found on Harry's head. So this t-shirt has made over 14 sales, price at 13.90, and you can use keywords like LGBTQ, um, proud. I wouldn't use pride because pride is trademark. I'll use proud, LGBTQ, and the other words, equality and all the like rights. And that is it for this niche. So, guys, congratulations to Susie Abbey and Chris Galado for winning our last week's giveaway. So, I also want to announce that I'll be bringing these weekly giveaways to a halt for now. I sent out a survey or a poll yesterday, and over 60 people said I should carry out a one on one call because I realized that some people were asking so many questions that warranted a one on one call. because I've had in these few days after posting my success in Mesh Amazon, 293 sales, 257 sales. I had a bunch of new subscribers, and they were asking a lot of questions, and I thought I should do something fun and get on a one-on-one call with them to solve their questions or any other questions that they wanted to ask me personally. I will be able to answer them in those calls. So to make this more fun, asking you I will be picking a winner from the comment section. So if you want to be considered to be a winner in our next week's giveaway, I'm going to be picking a winner from our comment section. I've never done this before, so this is going to be something new, something fun. I want to try something new. So I'm going to pick one comment in the comment section, and you're going to be the winner for a 30-minute call where you can ask any questions you want. So, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one notified when I release a new video.